Now we will be working on editing the book UI. The UI will look similar to what we have for create, but the only difference will be the data will be loaded. So we can go to create.cshtml and we can copy everything right here. Do not copy the model because model will be different. So right here, we'll remove everything and we'll paste what we just copied. Rather than create new book, it will be edit book. Then if you scroll down, we have submit here. The value will be update and index. This looks good. Let's run our application and see the edit page. Here we'll go to book and we'll hit the edit button. Great, you can see the data is loaded, it's edit book, and we have the update button. If you try to hit update, nothing happens because we have not added the post handler. Also in the URL, you see the ID is being passed. And this is the ASP route ID that we added. So everything is coming along good. In the next video, let's work on the post handler.